To effectively manage diabetes at work, it's crucial to understand how the condition can impact your daily routine and overall well-being. Diabetes is a chronic condition characterized by the body's inability to regulate blood sugar levels properly. For individuals living with diabetes, managing their condition can be challenging, especially in a work environment. In this video, we will explore helpful tips and strategies that can assist in effectively managing diabetes while at work. So, let's get started. Hi, this is Meghalatha this side. Welcome to my channel. If you are here for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notification. To effectively manage diabetes at work, it's crucial to understand how the condition can impact your daily routine and overall well-being. Here are a few key points to consider. Diabetes affects the body's ability to produce or respond to insulin, leading to fluctuating blood sugar levels. Stress, lack of physical activity, and unhealthy eating habits at work can adversely impact diabetes management. Frequent monitoring of blood sugar levels is essential, especially during stressful situations or when engaging in physically demanding tasks. Communicate with your healthcare provider to create a personalized diabetes management plan that suits your work schedule. Open communication and support from your coworkers and employers are vital in successfully managing diabetes at work. Here is how to foster a supportive environment. Educate others, share information about diabetes with your colleagues, including general knowledge about the condition. Diabetes emergencies can happen. Make sure there is a plan in place for severe hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia. Colleagues should know how to recognize the signs and take appropriate action. Request reasonable accommodations. If needed, communicate with your employer about reasonable accommodations that can assist you in effectively managing your condition, such as flexible work hours or designated rest areas. Emergency preparedness. Ensure your coworkers are aware of appropriate emergency actions, including recognizing warning signs and helping administer insulin or glucagon if required. Now, let's explore some practical tips and strategies for managing diabetes while at work. Number 1. Meal planning. Prepare and pack nutritious meals and snacks in advance, ensuring you have healthy options available at work. Packing a healthy lunch and snacks can help keep blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. Plan ahead and consider portion sizes to avoid unexpected spikes or crashes. Number 2. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated, which is one of the key disciplines to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Number 3. Regular physical activity. Engage in regular physical activity during breaks or after work to help regulate blood sugar levels and improve overall well-being. In between the work, every 1 hour remember to take a brief break of 2 to 3 minutes when you can have a short walk. Basically, avoid sitting glued to your chair for a long time, which drastically affects insulin secretion. So, staying active is essential for managing diabetes. Regular physical activity can help control blood sugar levels and boost overall health. Number 4. Stress management. Find effective stress management techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or engaging in hobbies to reduce stress levels at work. To ensure optimal diabetes management at work, regular monitoring of your condition and seeking healthcare support is essential. Consider the following. 1. Regular checkups. Attend regular checkup appointments with your healthcare provider, who can monitor your condition and adjust treatment plans accordingly. 2. Self-monitoring. Use home blood glucose monitoring devices to keep track of your blood sugar levels throughout the day, especially during work hours. 3. Medication and supplies. Always have an ample supply of insulin, oral medications, or other diabetes-related supplies at work, and keep them in a cool and secure place. 4. Emergency contacts. Keep a list of emergency contacts readily available, such as your healthcare provider's contact information and emergency contact numbers. Managing diabetes at work is entirely possible with the right strategies and support. Remember, open communication, understanding, and a diabetes-friendly work environment can make all the difference. Recommended product to manage diabetes effectively without any side effects. Are you certified on and on Diabolife? Diabolife is 100% vegetarian herbal Ayurvedic formula, comes in capsule form. Works pretty well for both pre-diabetics and the diabetics of both type 1 and type 2. These can be taken as complementary supplement along with regular diabetic medications to effectively manage their HbA1c and blood sugar levels. If you are looking to explore the opportunity to earn some money online, you may watch my 70 minutes free webinar, where I explain in detail how it is possible to do online business. After watching the webinar, if you feel that it is a right fit for you, we can connect and take it further. The link for the webinar on Roadmap to earn Rs 50,000 per month is given in the description box below. If you are already into network marketing business, and if you want to see how the whole recruitment and onboarding process can be automated, and how you can earn multiple streams of income, you may please watch a free webinar on this topic, the link for which is also shared in this description box. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. If you have any questions or additional tips, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay healthy, everyone.